Hi all, Plantside Agent here. This morning I'm out on my kayak, parked back here in the slough, having some breakfast. And I thought I'd show you my setup with my jet boil to brew my coffee and how I got the boat set up here. I'm doing this freehand without a tripod, which I don't like to do, and I also don't have my remote mic, so the sound quality might be a little sketchy. Although the water here is shallow enough, I could probably set up my tripod and get a stable shot, but we'll go ahead and handhold this. And what I got is, I have the jet boil, and I bought this specifically because, as you can see, what I have here is I have a Pongo 120 kayak, and it came with this cool, they call it a console or a dashboard, which has it's a couple of cup holders, some side slots, and it actually has a hatch up here for storing some stuff, so it's really handy. But one of the reasons I went with I bought the jet boil specifically for this setup, so I could do brew coffee or whatever on the boat. I used to do it on my canoe, and I put a little piece of plywood between the thwarts, and then I could just put up a regular stove and have a little kitchen set up. But as in the kayak, obviously room's limited, so but I say I really like this console because the jet boil will fit in here, and it has this little pouch up here that I can fit in a plastic container, which I usually put in my sandwich, which I already finished, which was a peanut butter and honey on sourdough. And then back here on my lap, I have one of my wax cotton kitchen mats. It's really nice. Use these especially on the ground. You can lay it on the ground next to your kitchen, then you got some place, out of the dirt and sand to put your cooking supplies. So, but then I use it here. I can unfold it, set it on my lap, and I got kind of a flat spot to hold my sandwich tray here. Also, it gives a little warmth on a cold day. But anyway, and then I just fold it up and store it in the hatch in the front, so works out real nice. But I'll show you the rest of my coffee setup here. I'll do this one last. Over here I have this is a French pressed insulated mug. You can find them online. I think you still can, but it's a French press, which is kind of cool. I only got one hand, but the bottom of it, there's a little cup in there that, oops, getting the wobbles here. A little cup you can unscrew, and inside it you can store 1 round of coffee in that. So if you need a second cup, you got it in the cup. So it's really cool. And like I say, it fits in the side here. Okay, as you can see here with the jet boil, I got the small tank, and it will fit inside nicely in here and stable. And I went with the jet boil. Get the spoon out of the way here. I went with the jet boil because I don't know if you guys are familiar with them. I don't know if I can get it off here with one hand. But the cup, let's see if I can work this off. No. The pot, actually there's little dimples here, and it seats in here, so it won't fall off. And that's the main reason I got it. So if you rock the boat, I don't have to worry about it whoop into the drink, or worse, whoop into my lap with scalding hot water. So yeah, I'm kind of jittery out here. Sorry. Hope nobody's getting seasick watching this video. But that's the main reason I got it. And it boils very quick, if you're familiar with them. But yeah, that's the main reason I got the jet boil. What I was thinking about, I'd like to make coffee from the kayak. What kind of arrangement, and regular propane stove, those could easily slide off, which would be disastrous in the confinement of a boat. So, let me get the last. It's kind of a funky video. I get this out of the way here. Underneath here, I can store. This is one of those water bottle bags. Oops, doggone it. Like I said, this is one-handed operation. It's not that good. These are one of those water bottle bags that you can get, and this is the one that I store my jet boil in. And by the way, I do have a video on this bag, and I'll put a link to it in the description if you want to look at that. But I store my coffee in there, spoon, everything fits in here for the coffee service. And then in my other, this is another one of those water bottle bags, and this one I actually have a water bottle in there and some other odds and ends in the pocket. And I have a video on this one too, so I'll put a link to that too. So it's kind of my kayak setup here. And then this guy slides way up in the nose or the bow of the boat, and then I can pull it back with the strap when I'm going to drink water or whatever. And this one actually fits underneath the gunnel here on the side out of the way. So nice setup. It works really well. So yeah, nice morning back in here. As always, peaceful. Oftentimes you can have the whole place to myself, which I really enjoy. So anyway, that's my breakfast from the kayak setup. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.